Hi, welcome to Chinese Linguistics Center. Today, I'm going to share 6 essential tips for learning Chinese. Learning a new language can be a challenging, yet rewarding experience. If you're interested in learning Chinese, there are several key ideas that you should keep in mind to help you make the most out of your learning journey. Here are 6 of the most important ideas to keep in mind.
Number 1. Master Chinese tones. Chinese is a tonal language, meaning that the tone of a word can change its meaning. Mastering the 4 tones of Mandarin Chinese is essential to being able to speak and understand the language correctly. Number 2. Practice listening. Listening is a critical skill in language learning. Regularly practice listening to Chinese speakers to develop your ability to understand the language in real-life situations. Number 3. Embrace speaking. Don't be afraid to speak Chinese, even if you're just starting. Speaking Chinese language regularly will help you gain confidence and improve your pronunciation and grammar. Number 4. Learn Chinese characters. Chinese characters are an essential part of the language and are used in reading, writing, and speaking. Start by learning basic strokes and building your way up to more complex characters.
Number 5. Set realistic goals. Indeed, learning a Chinese language takes time, and progress can be slow. So never get overwhelmed and set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way. Number 6. Consistency. By committing to regular practice, you can steadily progress towards your goals. Whether it's dedicating a few minutes each day to review or attending Mandarin language classes regularly, consistency is key to building and retaining language skills. Make it a habit and stick to it, even on days when motivation is low. By keeping these 6 ideas in mind, you'll be well on your way to mastering the Chinese language. Whether you're studying for personal or professional reasons, the benefits of learning Chinese are endless. Good luck on your language learning journey. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more language learning tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos.